ladymarthachan here. I am so excited to be filming this video. This is gonna be one of the best videos that I've ever filmed, the most exciting video that I've ever filmed. Sorry, it's snowing, I'm very distracted, but I'm so excited. How many times am I gonna say excited in this video? Because this is everything that I've ever dreamed of, and it's probably in the thumbnail and the title, so you already know what's happening. Okay, I got me some YR freaking U shoes, and these bad boys are my first ever YRU shoes. I have been heart eyes in awe of YRU shoes. I love YRU shoes, and in particular I love platforms. I have two pairs, one is Jeffrey Campbell and the other is just from Misguided a few years ago. I just love them. They're so comfortable, but they give you a little bit of height. We'll get into it. So this is gonna be the unboxing part, and I've actually already opened this because I got it really early, which I'll talk about in a minute, and I couldn't film immediately, so I wanted to make sure that they fit in case they didn't and I would have to send them back because the shipping and stuff takes a wee while. So I just wanted to make sure. So I have already opened these. I've already seen them. I have already awed and oohed and everything at them. But still, I am, let's just open it. Let's just open it. So if there's a little hole, you stick your finger in and you pull them out. The tissue paper is a little bit disheveled because I've obviously opened and closed this box a million times. But as you can see, the condition of the box is quite, like, it looks like an animal has like tried to get at it or something. Like, it looks a little bit damaged, just a little bit, and I think that's because of American postage. I've heard that they are really bad and they just kind of fling things in. Like the wrapping around it, the bag that was in, was all like scuffed and even like slightly opened because like it obviously gotten caught on something and ripped. It was a mess. But so when I first saw this, I was like, my shoes are gonna be wrecked, but they weren't. So are you ready? These are the shoes of my dreams. Like, if I was to design a shoe, they would look pretty much like this. Maybe with a little bit of glitter, but other than that, these are the shoes of my dreams. Oh my god, I think I just got lipstick on it. So let's go through. I'll show you both of them just so you can see them together. I'll give you better shots and stuff in a minute. It's on the top here. We have multiple different colors. We have green, yellow, pink, blue, and even this kind of peachy orange color, and it all just works so well. What I love about when you look at the front of the shoe, you can see almost every color except for the purple, but it just, the aesthetic of it, oh, it just takes my breath away. The laces are kind of messed up because I've got to try these on, but I'll sort them later. On the tongue of the shoe, we've got the YRU logo in a nice pastel pink embroidery, and obviously the actual signature of the shoe is the actual sole. It's a lovely rainbow going from blue, green, yellow, orangey pink, peach to this pink color, and the soles are lovely and textured, well, sort of textured, I guess you could say. They have like some kind of texture, it's not just flat, to have a little bit of grip, which is what you need. And then the side here, it has this Y shape, I'm assuming for YRU, but if not, it just kind of makes them look kind of sporty. They're high top, they're so squishy. Like this part here, it's so squishy and comfortable, supporting your ankle because these are really quite high. They're double the size of my other high tops. Can you tell? I'm just really excited. I ordered these when I was having my really bad week, and I knew that I needed something to kind of make myself feel a little bit better, and these I've had my eyes on for, I got my eyes on you. Yes. So I'm going to pop these down just for a second because I wanted to take a moment to actually thank a company who sent them to me. I paid for them. This is not sponsored, don't get me wrong. I bought them on Doll's Kill. Now I know that there's a little bit of controversy with Dolls Kill. I won't get into that. But I was wanting to buy off of the YRU site themselves, but they didn't have my size, and so I decided to go on Dolls Kill. Now, I was a little bit worried because if the size was wrong, I was scared that there was going to be issues sending it back. But of course, as I said, I had really wonderful, they fit, they're perfect for me. I got them in a size 6 in US sizes, so that's a size 4 in the UK, and they're perfect. I have very small feet. So basically, they were supposed to come the day before Valentine's Day, so that is the 13th of February. So what day am I uploading this? So a couple days ago from the day that this is uploaded. But they actually came on the 6th of February, and I just want to like thank Dolls Kill so much for the amazing speed of delivery, because where I live, it's technically seen as the middle of nowhere, which is, it's not, but for certain delivery places, certain delivery companies think that where I live is the middle of nowhere, and it ends up taking ages. They'll say it's 3 to 5 days, and it ends up being like crazy amount of days, and it's ridiculous. But I am so happy that I got them really, really early, and it's just, I just feel blessed. I feel really, really happy about them. Like, there's nothing about them that I'm like, nah. Like, everything. YRU, Dolls Kill, thank you. I also wanted to show you, so these are my Jeffrey Campbell high top, and yes, they are supposed to like look like this. I get a lot of questions, like people in real life are like, your shoes are really dirty, and I'm like, that's the look. That's what they came like. They're very new. Like there's hardly like scuffs on them. You can see they're very, very clean and new. But this is a comparison. As you can see, the YRU shoes are like double the size of my Jeffrey Campbell. Now the Jeffrey Campbells that I could wear on a day-to-day, like these are really easy to walk in, and it's not like the YRUs are hard to walk in, it's just like they are a lot higher, so it is a little bit worrisome to be just walking about in them, but maybe I'll get used to them. They're definitely not going to be the sort of thing that I wear all the time anyway, because I'm so scared to wreck them. But now I'm gonna get to filming some try-ons and reviews of them, so tired from filming all of this. I'm dead. I don't even know what to say. These shoes are very, very comfy and they're easy to walk in. They are pretty freaking cool, if I do say so myself. I mildly regret trying on all those different socks with these because it took a long time, and because my softbox light has been left on, it is roasting in my room, so I'm dying and my room is a mess. So thank you for watching. I hope that this was worth it because it was a lot of fun filming, but also I'm very tired, and yeah, I'm just really excited that I finally have this beauty. I can't lift my leg up any higher, sorry. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bingo bongo! This is gonna be the death of me. Who would have thought? Changing socks a million times